Hi, I'm Kathy Christoff, founder of SideHustle.com, the web's most comprehensive resource for ways to make money with side gigs. Today, I want to talk to you about 3 ways you can make money with your home. They're simple, low maintenance, and can be highly lucrative long term hustles. Number 1, rent out unused storage space. If you've got empty closets or garage or attic space or even a weatherproof shed, you have the resource to make extra money renting this space out to people who want to store things. Sites like Neighbor and Stash make it easy by allowing you to list your space, set a price, and find clients. Reasonable earning expectations for this side gig are between $50 to $500 a month, depending on where you are and how much space you have to rent out. Number 2, turn your yard into a dog park. If you've got a fenced yard, you can list it on a site called Sniff Spot and rent it out by the hour to dog owners who need a safe place to play. Normally, spaces rent for about $10 to $20 an hour, but popular spaces can rent many times in a month, so you could easily earn $250 to $500 in any given month. Finally, you can rent out your home to filmmakers and photographers. This one can generate big money. Several sites, including Gigster, Peerspace, and Ave, allow you to list your home for rent by the hour to filmmakers and photographers who need the right look for their movies and photo shoots. Filming often involves long days, so if you list your house for $100 an hour, you can expect to earn $1,200 in a single day. And many homes on these sites list for considerably more, so really the sky's the limit. If you want more smart side hustle ideas, check out our website at sidehustle.com or follow our YouTube channel. We research, review, and rate more than 500 ways you can make money with flexible, remote, and part-time gigs. Thanks for listening.